Next is part C. Solve these simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. 1 over 2x minus 3y equal 9. 5x plus y equals 28. Let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now by 10 into equation number 1 minus equation number 2. Multiplying equation 1 with 10 and then we will subtract equation 2 from this. So this will be 5x minus 30y equals 90. And equation 2 is 5x plus y equals 28, and we have to subtract, so we will change its sign. This will be cancelled. This is minus 31y equals 90 minus 28 is 62. So y is equal to 62 over minus 31. 62 divided by minus 31, which is minus 2. Value of y is minus 2. Now using it in equation number 2. So this will implies 5x minus 2 equals 28, then x equals 30 over 5, x equals 6. X is 6, y is minus 2. Part D. 3 over m plus 4 minus 4 over m equals 6. Its part first is show that this equation can be written as 6m square plus 25m plus 16 equals 0. Taking its LCM, this will be m plus 4 into m, and here it will be 3m minus 4 into m plus 4 equals 6. By cross multiplication, 3m minus 4 into m plus 4 equals 6m into m plus 4. Now expanding the brackets, 3m minus 4m minus 16 equals 6m square plus 24m. Now simplifying and rearranging it, 6m square and plus this is 24 and minus 24 minus 3 plus 4, this will be 25m, and this will be 16 equals 0. So it's done. Next is part 2. Solve the equation 6m square plus 25m plus 16 equals 0. Show all your working and give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. By quadratic formula, m is equal to minus 25 plus minus 25 square minus 4 times 6 times 16 over 2 times 6 equals minus 25 plus minus, now solving its square root, 25 square minus 4 times 6 times 16 is square root of 241 over 6 times 2 is 12. Now either m is minus 25 plus square root of 241 over 12, or m is minus 25 minus square root of 241 over 12. Now we will solve both of them. Minus 25 plus square root of 241 over 12 is minus 0.79, correcting to 2 decimal places. And from this, minus 25 minus square root of 241 over 12 is minus 3.38. This is also correcting to 2 decimal places. So m is minus 0.79 or minus 3.38.